Have you ever noticed how some people command total respect without saying a single word? They don't chase, they don't beg, they simply withdraw. And suddenly the entire world around them shifts. Imagine if you did the same. If you stopped reacting instantly, stopped being emotionally available 24/7, stopped giving your energy to people who treat you like an option, what do you think would happen? The game would change forever. When you stop being always available, emotionally, physically, psychologically, the world enters crisis mode. People who controlled you through your reactions, your predictability, your need to please, suddenly feel lost. They start chasing. They start questioning. They start feeling the absence they took for granted. Carl Jung taught that everything that irritates us about others leads us to a better understanding of ourselves. When you become inaccessible, who gets desperate? Who tries to provoke you? Their reaction reveals everything about them and how much power you've been giving away. You've been conditioned since childhood to believe your worth comes from being available. Always respond. Always say yes. Always be there. But excessive availability is not kindness, it's a prison. It makes you predictable. And predictable people become emotional emergency buttons. Others press when they need validation, attention, or comfort, then shelve you. Jung spoke of the persona, the mask we wear for acceptance. The more you wear it, the more you abandon yourself. Every forced yes, every immediate reply, every unnecessary explanation drains your psychic energy. Jung saw the psyche as an energy system. Every impulsive reaction leaks power. What you resist persists. The more you react, the more you're bound. True power begins with conscious withdrawal. Not escape, but sovereignty. Silence isn't emptiness, it's presence. When you stop feeding toxic cycles, others' shadows emerge. They attack, criticize, or guilt trip. Not because you're wrong, but because you stopped serving as their convenient mirror. This discomfort forces them to face their own emptiness. But in that same silence, you are reborn. You observe patterns. You reclaim energy. You step into individuation, Jung's process of becoming whole, authentic, and complete. Practical steps to start today: don't reply instantly. Breathe first. Say no without long explanations. Leave conversations that drain you. Protect your peace like it's your most valuable asset, because it is. You don't owe the world access to your energy. Those who truly value you will respect your boundaries. Those who don't were never with you, they were with what you provided. When you stop being available to everyone, you finally become available to yourself. You lose the people who needed your old version. You find your true self. The loneliness of the strong is the doorway to real freedom. If this resonates, comment, "I choose my peace." Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your next level starts here.